So I noticed some coolant on the ground recently on my 2004 Highlander, and I had a feeling it was the water pump. And I pulled all this off, and this is what it's done. So if you ever want to know what it looks like when it leaks inside, that's what it looks like. And I bought this car used, and it looks like somebody had replaced it, because this is not the factory water pump. This has got 200,000 miles on it, and this is not a factory water pump. This one right here is a factory water pump. Should have that name on it. So, replacing the water pump, timing belt, the pulleys, and we should be good to go. So, this is just for whoever wanted to know what it looked like when your water pump starts leaking, what it does underneath your timing belt cover. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time.